Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset an Amazon Echo. So I've got an Amazon Echo 4th generation here, and we're just going to show you how to reset this. So we've got 4 buttons here at the top. I have this muted. You don't have to have this muted in order for this to work, but all you're going to do is you're going to hold down on this button right here, which is called the action button. And you're going to hold down on this for about 10 to 20 seconds until the light ring comes on the Amazon Echo. It starts talking to you and tells you that the device has been reset. So now we're going to go ahead and hold down this action button so that we can reset our Amazon Echo 4th generation.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Keep holding the device until it goes into reset mode. It will first go into setup mode.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
I usually keep holding it here for another 5 or 10 seconds and then I let go. But once you hear that the device has gone into reset mode, your Amazon Echo 4th generation is going to be reset to factory default settings, so that if you want to set it up on your phone, or you want to gift this, or you're changing Wi-Fi networks or houses, you can do that. Now that it's resetting, we're going to give it about a minute, and when the light ring comes back on down here at the bottom of the device, you're going to see that turn on, and then it's going to go into setup mode as if it were factory reset or just fresh out of the box and ready to be set up on your Amazon Alexa app. Now you can see that the light ring is on, so this is going into factory setup mode. We also have another video that shows you how to set this up on the Amazon Alexa app, so I recommend check that out if you are resetting this and you need to set it up on your phone and the Amazon Alexa app.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
So once the Amazon Echo starts talking to you, it has been completely reset to factory default settings, and now you can set this up with the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. So once again, to reset the Amazon Echo 4th generation, you're just gonna hold down this button and you're gonna keep holding even after it says it's in setup mode. You're gonna hold till it starts talking to you and says it's in reset mode. Then it's going to take a minute or two. The lights are going to come back on down here at the bottom of the device, and then it will start talking to you saying that it's ready to be set up again, and then you can go ahead and do that. So thank you for watching this video. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.